Today is also the birthday of Warren, former Chief Justice of the United States, born March 19th, 1891 in Los Angeles. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, we'll talk that this morning. There will be celebration in City of Angels. No, you say there, man, on Angel LA, Los Angeles. So we celebrate with him this morning. Get involved, let's celebrate you as well. Today is also the birthday of Philip Roth, American novelist, born March 1933 in Newark. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. On the go Koge City, get involved. Let's celebrate you as well. And right about Fundua, Ayabatabaguna, Nanya Kiba Zua, or the Governor Shukuma Soludo, Vienna, na Sopota Uyibana, son of the politics. The other time, what Patagosia, the kinetic and non-kinetic, approach. Or there's a Kanya state in a sober kinetic, non-kinetic, and as a professor. At the time, you have to go, Professor Moptapan Kibazaketa, Nigeria is going through inevitable pain. Omantaka na Egania states in Negasobia. And then that's Oyibaso, kinetic, not kinetic, Oyibaso, age where the letter, Kamalifaga, make we release and the cano on a very good day. A lot of things to talk about. And right about Ketafu, Aya Batagona, Jakai celebrated, Kendi celebrated today in Nigeria. Today is the birthday of Stan Okoye, American Nigerian basketball player, born March 19th, 1991. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, so to no Toto, we have to celebrate them. Get involved, let's celebrate you too. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080966611035. Today is also the birthday of Josephine Chukwunonye, born March 19th, 1992 in Anambra State. So we say happy birthday to this Nigerian Association football player. Happy birthday. Yes, all the Goku said they get involved. Let's celebrate you right about now. Today is also the birthday of Derek Obu, Nigerian football player, born March 1990. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Chukwu Diabere Maduabo, born March 1991, in Lagos. So we say happy birthday to him as well. Happy birthday. Yes, all the go let's celebrate you. Get involved. You have to go send the SMS or WhatsApp messages on him on the number 080966611035. Now, most times, in a second, when we close door meeting, you have to go in a political space. And get Malam Malon on like Fozana Badia. Up at the same time, I am Bana Press. Mana just to twist where Suzy Abo you go. Kabatas and Azana, you boy, that English will speak. You have to go, I go Buramo, that non kinetic, oh, yeah, be an Amazadia. I am as a I do a very good day. But right about Fundua, as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction can go to better guaranteed. Yeah, Chow Becca in on a very good day. As in Madame, you go to move on a very good day. What's a poor boy, a feature on a very good day. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko Otipoju. Yes, Akoko Nkizi Ayeju Amabata Nototo. A lot is happening, and we are going to talk about all of it. Yotago Kaimazeko said there's some people na Kowan and Kiba as well, and black women. No be no be fair faso. Nya onye se ni afu, ni just chopota. No be adron the black women man. I say why you kwi di fa. O we nyebe example na go so nya obi na adron the mmadu mma. Ndị na emeka si fe nya gosi na obi le wafa on a very good day. O go so say a lot of people. Mana nke izo nke ikpeazụ o go say. O we say na negoda anya jada pinket. Na enu ko si we me nwoke a o we nwa nwoke ola. On a very good day. O di ola Will Smith jekwa rock on a very good day. No black woman the attitude of the pretty serpent. Paul and I this man or Paul move just all out. Passes you like the brother, there is nothing you cannot do for love. If you're going to go there. A lot of things to talk about, no to talk on food, to right about it. Yes, Akoko Nkizi Ayeju Amabata Nototo about somebody believe na say castle mbasa na black women on obi na ụlọ wafa nya wana akọ na nwunye na onwelo ko si wela wad woman in any way you go need to see nwunye ike na social media ka na ekwukwa ya befe even black women bịakwa again we say my boy ka isi to this woman like this yeah, we are offended about the matter. My brother, Keki is to this woman like this. Some of them began to even, trying to induct the woman into the association of Ndebotro Nampo. Yeah, we don't have a side chick. Now, I send no side chick. No one, no one, on a very good day. I want to say, my brother, Kedi Hij, when you put it now. On your Kupane, if I will kiss Daniel, you're going to see a BK on a very good day. No Jurong, we see a go see on social media. Only within the bottom of Mania, one on a very good day. Man, and the bottom of Pajokasa, there's the Ajo, or whatever can go is Zuku. No one, Boni is Zuku studio session, or wage record. Nambo, Moloku, Oria, no, no. They are not powerful. So now I am mellow age we celebrate Yakatafo. Mirun the bottom of Yankabo, the Lord prepares a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Yeah, the prepares a table before the wife in the presence of the bottom of on the mic. He will put a cat when I got to still.
Well, oh yeah, so no in opposite in bed.
Yes.
And because we are from the beginning, from day one, now support here because never now all gonna gam and seek after. Brother, I like it.
Yes.
I talking about how much so talking where may I in them. And your brother like okay, or the person succeed.
Yes.
And like now, what we go a successful man.
Why you to Zoom just like that? Yeah? That this thing is supposed to be a community, service on a very good day. I don't know why one guy. Oh, you know, feel funny. Because it's just one service. Can you give far? But at the time, Kone Kukwaya Bife, one Yamapota, when I say Kokowali, my brother, Egapan Antio, Yama Pifiana, where Oceana one, the first thing I will be a Yamalo. Now, beauty, Abolian make a woman. No blow one Yamalo and one, or blue a good wife, and all of that. No good Nana Kogon and I say, Amasalom Manka and all of that. Nagega Panafante, no Umume Agua. Otu is go Potaseka, no offend their due to be hidden the Alania with the Saki Kabiji. Jidesipa Kagika Panaka Kona where Nanya was a wageable beauty. Manakata, Emegi, Matomaluku said. no pussy nyawa no pussy ugwo bright price no only dey go spend it no spend the ezigbo ego na very good day mana ihe nwunye wechi ya tapo 1000 naira o malo mgbe ji we gbaji aiza hotala ihe na agbaji aiza for a very good day some of the money ekwere o mana chi apazo mgbe chi wichi ya o most especially like nke ndị ụmụnna ji nwu mmanya a lot of things in expect na enye chi ya ndị nke akwa asi o a lot of things to talk about mana ịbata ịgwazi anyị filo na ya be fe so folding right about it afọ akụkọ nsọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ ihe mmelụ na I think this is happening in Akwa Ibom. Ịghọtago ebe egwu pastor the founder of a church and a pastor na Akwa Ibom. The level of insecurity otu o si agasị na the country na-ewutere nne on a very good day. Now nakwa ka ya bụ ife si wee mee wee sị na parishioners and local residents of Ikote and Sleepy community in Abak local government area of Akwa Ibom State in the hand on a morning mood now following the gruesome murder of the founder of the Mount of Solution Redeemed Church, Apostle Elijah Asokwo, and the pastor in charge about Anekan Ebang. Now murder these two individuals has at about 7:30 p.m. over the weekend can disrupt to their parish meeting which was ongoing nearby Akano where murder these individuals. Now a resident who did not want his name saying stormed the church premises on a motorcycle and after committing the crime, left through Abak Ikot Epene Federal Highway. It was gathered that late Apostle Asoko hails from Esen Udim local government area, while Pastor Anekan Eban, a native of Ikoto Obipa village, at a time. Now, he lead is to the level of an apota more than these individuals. Everybody can try to wrap their mind towards the entire thing. All of that behind education. Now, this is something we must condemn, and is a good because in as much as from time to time, and when they on a very good day, this thing could also be a situation whereby a mother preach the another person somewhere and actions video into and in phone just or no they murdered the two of them and then left. Then a lot of people from the perspective now and was a sort of maybe mafia war amongst the pastors or maybe only can rule a territory at the time and all of that. One still.
Yes, because now Odeleka Yaflo, Equasile Joe Adjuditi Kamalo Yeneben. And wake up while they walk with you I had it all.
Sure.
Yes, because now the guys were malo Oga Fiarumado, he just think one such a thing. Igabu a pastor. Everybody can a Bible who talk not my anointed. So from day one, all you're about that now. Even no matter yes. So kind of a war na ga on ya na maro ka wa de preacher all you need to find it out but ezoku ihe abu ihe nwute that now udiri high no ya me so instead na even the pastors no kind of hard rosy say and you will then take any government the other people no around so now all the cap now I remember any have a security this time around. Obviously, all that gonna happen also. Obviously, police money also questioning dinner. After that, now you're like the same. No, you're like it's now because now, in a check obviously can take in which I'm and surround it. No, then the man because I ought to go too much now.
Anyway, all the go crazy. The thing here is we just I say from the one. No, our neighbors go our security at the end of the day. If we can watch each other's back, if we can tell ourselves the truth about our own area, if one security guard lie. So if in the state I'll go for manhunt against the people who may same at the end of the day. So the commissioner of police will go Wahid to order manhunt for the suspects, assuring that the ongoing discreet investigations will culminate in the arrest and the subsequent prosecution of the culprits. By then, I am Ife Patalon, Ihebu the reason Melo Hajiwe Patanonoka, Balo, founder of the church and assistant pastor Debenana. Akụkọ Otikpoju. Yes, before we continue, can I celebrate to go to some of the people who are celebrating this morning? And we got this message that says, "Good morning, Martin and the classic. I am Rains Okeke from Unkwedo Gidi. I want to celebrate my big sister, Mrs. Ngozi Obiakwe Ni Ubuliba. Today is her birthday. I wish her all the best in life, and then we pray for her. I know Chineke Gagozia. If Omani ni Lobes Botis, he is Boti Penisi, your big sister, Mrs. Ngozi Obiakwe. Chineke get with Mezu. Naha Jesus. Amen. Nakwabakan jide bagam for your sister too. Obolo Belefe is unfolding right about now. Fans of Ebonade 103.5 FM. Nakwa jide still, my brother. It is unfolding right about Ketapo. Akụkọ Otikpoju. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee bata n'ụtụtụ a wee dịkwa ka ife mego gboo yotago back in the days if ọ bụrụ na around in Nigeria onwe mgbe anyị nọkọta wee na-anụ akụkọ gbasara 3 days darkness. Nne amamniso wee nụ akụkọ gbasara 3 days. Onwe sista buru amụma wee sị na a ga-enwe 3 days darkness. Onye ọbụla ji egolu kandụl, onye ọbụla rọcha na-ego kandụl je na-agọzi kandụl eji wee mee the 3 days darkness. 3 days darkness abịara. We didn't see it. It didn't happen. Now this morning enwe pastor na-agwa anyị na Chineke kwali okwu ọ sị God told. So ọ dịgo ka esi dị a lot of people na-ajụ okay onwe ka Chineke esi wekwa mmadụ iri ife a, and na social media ka o post ya bụ the thing wee na-aga rounds on social media. A lot of people on a trend go kita, a lot of people na-asị wow kedu ife, some of them self na-aja nwe ya na-asị pastor pray for me ka amalụ ka esi mee ya bụ ife ebe ọ bụ na Chineke gosi gị dị ife a. But we remember that the Bible called that, when the Lord will come, he will come like a thief in the night. Noga be unannounced. A man boji to down all of a sudden in Spain, you fear below the Lord. And I say, Lord, they go. Now the young man about the pastor na kawana utunyawa siwafu the revelation up on social media we're going to end soon. And then he also further stated that it was not a joke, and the people the president
I thought was like I got on there. I'm only here.
Pastor, or just on a choking trend that or trend the Bible Ketafo. On an pastor, he will put it out, he will make a trend. And they trend the Bible, no, now corner, normally house of pastor. Some people in Nigeria, I know the pastor will pack or a trend there on a very good day. Manozi, or the Zelomon against check is no totua. But a why you feel on a yabi or a gas na Chineke by our pastor, and the world will end very soon. At the end of the day, you guys maybe na onwe camarades when be an or he got anyway, a batan or to try why if you don't need na. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ celebration. Anyị na-celebrate with the man sị na na enyere ya consent. Sị na Angelina nyere ya consent, and ka consent a ka o ji wee na-ekwu maka ife niile Angelina gwara ya mee okwu gozie na egwu weselụ ka m na-agwa gị. We're talking about Odumodu Black on a very good day, and today ọ golu moto 390 million naira o spend ya na Lamborghini yotago Garado. Ọ bụrụ obele ife ka m na-akọwara gị on a very good day. Ụbọchị izi m fụ moto a ihe pụrụ ya Lambo gịnị ọ ihe ọ bụ ị na ya bụ moto anya on a very good day. Ịfụ na alụsịrị ya yotago otu injin si asụ otu everything si eme. Ajụọ the man kedu afọ moto ga ọ sị na Lambo ya asị ka ezi ihe ọzọ ọ sị na ọ gịnị Makano Iwe was a lamb. Yotago on a very good day. So we celebrate with Odumodu Black this morning. Yotago Kosi, you know, Columbigo Dunka on a very good day. He posted a picture of the green sports car, you know, from 2006, explaining that Odumodu had just recently purchased it. So I need to celebrate here no twa. Makano inwa ngole na nke mmadu Chineke wee on a very good day. Yotago to Mwase Makwaya before Mfunka Mother Mwezbutang or then Bidaka and say, my brother, God will bless you. As I'm blessing him at the end of the day, I'm also blessing myself. And that's why my brother, I'm tapping from this current. It is unfolding this morning. So join us, King Atap Yabu Current. Right about Kitafo Classic Yakosala 102 Kaiwana Gapaniru still. Classic.
Okay, so after whatever we blow a man de 42 years old. I'm around here because now not to a man like that. So according to the story, cousin and happy, just the 13 years old. Bonyo Gaga rape, you know, the file that open one like that. So yeah, was as a old 42 years old. We will go where we go to the police station. Well, we're going to the police see and they send the law. One day and a half because I go tell you if web as I read call you that now somebody 38 years old Jidelia where me yanka. Uncle says I the police now the police will be do immediate investigation and the press cover that no yawa boy. That's no also many how boyama actual ma no one any actual other person will get free 10 years.
This is, you know, one shop where you see, you know, go sing Yadapa, very sorry about the situation or anything. You know, at the end of the day, Manina and Yafuno Mumelo, who Mumonian Hotalong and Isu on a very good day. So at the end, all gonna chop ways where you see where not dodge the thing or not on your gate, na problem. Katamanya Gibuna, or Chopono money, and mel. You have to go all to where for people who behave in that manner, who cannot say no, or more man. Let me take you know, their care of the situation. And when a lot of people do like that, they are not interested in responsibilities, and that's why you can see some of the attitude, you know, like you know, why or proper. In some places, if you jungle justice, I'm up at the matter. Before you know it, jungle justice, I go at the matter. I know my. Mane bata two we me cheligaki we weke we bata we why you feel on ihe ni na kosi unfold right about now. Opana nko tutu a opo okpoko kai na baze kita po kai call the kosi ade na okpoko be odo na aka akọ kanya na ife suwe joniza. Now well na gazi one day. Nya just short order and say na man lose at the time. You have to new position they see here now where all of a sudden when na gazi phone was at the too bad. We decide ya na ga lose ya bozo. Na pakos we ya be me a word which they honored, but today he is only a mainstream member of our party, but he is a